which is on the fact that all seems to be not well within the BJP in Uttar Pradesh. For some reason, the Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya, who cannot even win his own Lok Sabha seat, who has lost a legislator's election, is just going in for locking horns with the very popular Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. How is this happening? A person as popular as Yogi Adityanath, why is he facing trouble from within the BJP in his own state? Let's debate.
Rebel voices within UP BJP are capitalizing on the party's losses in Lok Sabha in the state. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath faces a direct challenge from his deputy Keshav Prasad Maurya. After his meeting with Nadda on Tuesday night, Maurya took a cryptic jibe at CM Yogi. He tweeted, quote-unquote, "The party is above the government." But the firebrand BJP CM will not take the dare lying down. Yogi has put his foot down as he met the central leadership.
Knives are out in the Uttar Pradesh unit of the BJP against Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath after party's less than expected performance in the Lok Sabha polls. Yogi is under relentless attack from state satraps. Ironically, these are organization men who cannot hold a district panchayat election on their own shoulders. Keshav Prasad Maurya lost in his own assembly segment. Bhupendra Chaudhary is no speck on Yogi's popularity. Surprisingly, the national leadership of the BJP has allowed this chaos and challenge to Yogi despite knowing the possible adverse consequences of this on 2027.
Amidst the tussle, UP BJP President Bhupendra Chaudhary has offered to tender his resignation. He has been asked to continue for 2 more months. The ball is now in the court of BJP leadership. Will Yogi Adityanath be given a free hand? Who will the BJP High Command back in Uttar Pradesh?
Anila Singh of the BJP, who is encouraging Keshav Prasad Maurya that he is rebelling against challenging Yogi. Keshav Prasad Maurya cannot even win in the Lok Sabha elections. He even lost the assembly election in 2022. Who is behind him, Anila? We must talk about this now.
My Ram to all. And who is telling you that Keshav Prasad Maurya ji is against Yogi Adityanath ji? Who is telling you? I don't think so.
Every day, every morning he puts out a tweet. He makes statements saying, Sangathan bada hai, sarkar nahi. Is a clear and direct, it's quite clear to everyone, Shantanu, that he's targeting Yogi in this. The central leadership is calling him to Delhi to talk to him. He goes back, puts out another tweet. His son criticizes the UP government. I don't understand. Being in denial will not happen. There is a fight going on. Don't try to avoid it. What is the fight about? How can you challenge Yogi Adityanath in UP? So, without Yogi Adityanath, can the BJP win? Or have any chance of winning the next 27 elections?
Arnab, in the last 7 years, till 2017, such news of Yogi will be ousted, has been thrown out almost 70 times, right? This conspiracy theory is running the house of many YouTubers, right? That Yogi is out, right?
No, the story is also that some BJP leadership wants to cut Yogi to size. Is that true?
So, yeah, so that's keep happening every time, right? In 2021, 5th June is Yogi Adityanath's birthday. Because Narendra Modi did not tweet on Yogi Adityanath's birthday, Yogi will be out. Right? Then we realized Narendra Modi did not tweet for anyone because it was Corona
No, but
time
please don't deny. There is a fight going on. There is a fight going on between Keshav Prasad Maurya and Yogi Adityanath. It may be one-sided, but Keshav Prasad Maurya thinks that he's a rival of Yogi. Tariq Lari, am I wrong? I mean, there is no point. I will ask you the question 20 times, you will not agree. All of India is talking about it. The BJP leadership is not being able to handle the situation. BJP leadership has to decide. You want Keshav Prasad Maurya or do you want Yogi Adityanath?
Can you just give me half a minute? Yeah. Just give me half a minute.
Yogi Adityanath, even in 2017, there was no face of a CM candidate in UP. Still, BJP won. तो आज भी बीजेपी का कोई फेस नहीं है, ये हट जाएंगे दूसरा आएंगे, दूसरा फेस आएंगे, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। योगी आदित्यनाथ कौन बने, बीजेपी का एक सिंबल है, बीजेपी के सिंबल पे काम होता है। जो उनके कोर वोटर है बीजेपी में खड़ा हो, मैं मुझे
आपकी ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं, ऑडियो
मेरे बात किसी को मानेंगे। बीजेपी एक अलग चीज है, वहां की थ्योरी एक अलग चीज है, वहां सिंबल मैटर करता है। आज मोदी जी को हटा दीजिए, मोदी जी का किसी और को हटा दीजिए, मोदी जी पब्लिक उस सिंबल को मान रही है, वो उनके कोर सिंबल को मानते हैं, किसी व्यक्ति को नहीं मानते।
Improve the audio.
ये बात आप समझ
Improve the audio.
लीजिए।
Viewers, we have देखिए अनिला जी, don't be in denial.
Allow me to speak.
Don't be in denial. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself has said that BJP has been overconfident, right? In ticket distribution, over 35 candidates who were supported by Yogi were not given the ticket. It is a known fact. You should not think that internal issues of the BJP are not known. They are known and we are discussing it. Right? Now, who is supporting Keshav Prasad Maurya? ये बड़े नेता कब से बन गए? ये बड़े नेता किसने बनाया इनको? ये कहाँ के बड़े नेता हैं? नहीं, आप हंस क्यों रही? सच्ची मैं बोल रही। मैं उप मुख्यमंत्री के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज मैं प्रैक्टिकल आदमी हूँ और आपको भी होना चाहिए तारिक जी।
Be a practical man, Arnab, be a practical man. When he will be the chief minister, तो आप उसके भी गुणगान कर रहे हैं।
No, I am very clear about it. You know the popular appeal of Yogi Adityanath and the popular appeal of Keshav Prasad Maurya. I am surprised.
No.
I am surprised today.
Popularity is of the
Whatever. Now you have a problem with Yogi. That's something else. Okay, Anila.
Why such a loony laugh from this Samajwadi Party's spokesperson on your channel? I really fail to understand. There is no joke going around. And we know it very well that since 2017, since Yogi Adityanath ji became the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, this conspiracy has been going on. Every 6 months, अरे योगी आदित्यनाथ जी से तो संगठन में कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है, अरे योगी आदित्यनाथ जी की और जो डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर है ना उनमें बन नहीं रही है, अरे योगी आदित्यनाथ जी की और अमित शाह जी की बन नहीं रही है. We keep on listening such stories. This is conspiracy against Yogi Adityanath ji. Yogi Adityanath ji is a very popular chief minister of Uttar Pradesh, and his popularity goes beyond the boundaries of Uttar Pradesh and beyond the boundaries of our nation as well. We know it very well. In Uttar Pradesh, there is no other leader who is so popular. If the opposition or the part and parcel of some of the YouTubers who want to play this conspiracy game, so they can do so. We are here to govern Uttar Pradesh. We are governing. In future also we are going to do that. अगर 2024 की इलेक्शन की रिजल्ट से उत्तर प्रदेश में अपोजिशन बहुत खुश हो रही है, साहब आप लोग तो फेल होकर खुश हो रहे हैं. केंद्र में सरकार किसकी है? It is ours. And there is absolutely no problem in between Keshav Prasad Maurya ji and Yogi Adityanath ji. And we have a system.
There is an open fight going on. There is an open rebellion going on. There is an open rebellion going on. You expect me to accept that? I am asking you.
इनसे जब कुछ होगा, मैं नीला जी से बात करूंगा जिस दिन मोदी योगी हटेगा. ये जरूर ध्यान रखिएगा.
हटेगा जाएगा ये किस तरीके की भाषा का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं?
क्योंकि इन्होंने पर्सनली कमेंट किया है that I am something very laughter about laughter. I'll show her laughter on that day. जिस दिन हटेगा उस दिन बात करेंगे हम आपसे और डायरेक्ट बात करेंगे मैम. डायरेक्ट बात करेंगे हम लोग. आपके और मेरे सिवा तो तीसरा आदमी इस डिबेट में रहेगा नहीं.
आएगा जाएगा खाएगा किसी
अंदर भाई मैंने जो बातें कही है सही हुई है. आज मैं कह रहा हूँ योगी जाने वाला है, मतलब योगी जाने वाला है. और कौन आएगा वो आप भी चौंक जाएंगे. नाम बहुत उछलते हैं, नाम उछलने वाले जो है बीजेपी में बनते कुछ नहीं है. नाम बहुत उछलते हैं. आई एम नॉट अ सपोर्टर ऑफ योगी, आई एम नॉट अ सपोर्टर ऑफ मोदी और नॉट अ सपोर्टर ऑफ बीजेपी. आई एम अ समाजवादी नेता और उसमें गर्व है मुझको. लेकिन जो हो रहा है ना, जिस हिसाब से जनता लोगों का घर
type of support which these
घर
have
तोड़ दिए
given
गए,
to
अकबर नगर, पंतनगर, राजेंद्र नगर, सब एक
How
घर
do you improve the
क्या यही योगी आदित्यनाथ का काम था?
I find it interesting, viewers. If you're, by the way, it is very crucial for the BJP to solve this problem. And if the BJP is supporting Yogi Adityanath, the central leadership of the BJP must make an open statement and make it clear. इशारों में बात नहीं होती है, शांतनु जी. और जो भी हो रहा है, बहुत इशारों पे हो रही है बात. नहीं, 63 से 33 तक पहुंच चुकी है बीजेपी. सिचुएशन बहुत गंभीर है. 63 से 33 पहुंच चुकी है बीजेपी. 10 बाइपोल होने वाले, 10 में से 5 सीट समाजवादी पार्टी के पास है इस वक्त. वोट शेयर आपकी 50 से ज्यादा थी, अब 41 पे आ चुकी है. And
Arnab, in 2024 campaign, Arnab, if it's even 2024
no, I'm surprised,
campaign,
I'm shocked. Actually, I'll tell you one thing before you speak, Shantanu.
yeah,
Yogi Adityanath is beyond doubt a very popular leader. The
No
most
doubt about
popular leader in Uttar Pradesh. One of the most popular leaders across the country.
in the country, almost
One of
second
the
to
star
Modi.
campaigners of the BJP across the country.
Yeah.
I understand the party has not done well in UP, but the party cannot deny that over 35 seats where Yogi's candidates were not given seats in the last Lok Sabha elections. So you can't pile on the blame to him. Either which way, Kapil, it's very interesting to me, and viewers will note, Anila also note, that Samajwadi Party, Congress all say the only chance for BJP to do well if they remove Yogi. So please be clear about it.
Can I quickly come in?
Yes.
I will make 2 quick points. I will make 2 quick points here.
Louder, please. I can't hear you clearly. Little louder.
Yes.
Viewers, shorts.
When last election happened, and BJP won in UP, what did the Honorable Prime Minister said? The Prime Minister said it is a semi-final before the final, before the general election. Now the irony is that you have won the so-called final, semi-final, but you have lost the final because that's a defeat on your face and your hand. Now let me give you another example. Now this defeat and whatever is happening
First
right
of all,
now
this is just
in
too
UP,
much for
I think
a
Mr.
party with
Mr.
90
Mr.
seats
Mr. Modi
to talk
is to
about
be-
winning the
Mr.
election. I mean,
Modi-
like, I don't understand
Mr.
your
Modi
logic
is
of
to-
a victory.
No,
Chalo, you are
no,
one.
no,
You are Prime Minister.
allow me to
You have
finish
won.
my point.
You are running the government in UP.
Allow-
You are running the government in Delhi in your
allow me to
mind.
finish.
Please continue.
Arnab,
आपको जो
no,
अच्छा
no,
लगे
Arnab.
आप समझ लीजिए.
No,
जी.
I want to make an important point.
Yeah. So stop making
Do
any
you
further
recall what-
unimportant points.
Yes. So do you recall what did the Honorable Prime Minister said? Ek akela sab pe bhari. Now we have a Prime Minister who takes credit of all the wins. But if there is a defeat under his name, when the election is fought under his name, because he was the star campaigner, and in fact every election votes are being
And
sought
why are you people?
under
Why
Mr.
are you
Modi
so
ji's
keen
name.
that Yogi
Now
goes?
the point is no. All I'm trying to say here is, why don't the Honorable Prime Minister takes himself the onus and accountability of the defeat? In fact, if you see all the elections campaign where Mr. Modi has fought and Mr. Modi has lost, you would want scapegoat to put
Well,
blame
I
on
think
someone.
that
But if
I-
the elections are won, then we have the BJP has won only because of Mr. Modi. So this is plain and clear that Mr. Modi will come only if the BJP is winning. If BJP is losing, then
No,
Mr.
the
Modi
point
does
is
not
there
take
is so
credit
much
of it.
excitement today, Anila. There is just one point.
No,
Viewers,
the
there
point-
is
the point is-
Kapil, may I? There's so much excitement in the opposition. They are so happy, they are thrilled, they're happy, they're jumping around today, so thrilled, they're celebrating. Till this point of time, Yogi Adityanath is very strong. He is going to change his cabinet. They are excited, Shantanu. They want somehow Yogi to go. Like in
That
Delhi,
dream
they
will never
want
come
Modi
true.
to go.
That
Modi
dream
came
will never
back.
come true.
They want Yogi
That
to go.
dream will
किसी
never
तरह
come
से
true.
योगी को निकाल दीजिए, बाकी हम देख लेंगे. केशव प्रसाद मौर्य को बना दीजिए. समाजवादी पार्टी कहती है आप मौर्य जी को बना दीजिए, किसी को बना दीजिए, मगर योगी आदित्यनाथ को निकाल दीजिए कुर्सी से. क्या
That dream will
इंटरेस्ट है
never come true for them.
क्या डर है? आप खुलकर, अनुराग भदौरिया जी, जो भी आप योगी जी से डरते हैं, आप खुलकर प्रकट कर दीजिए आज टीवी पर.
कमाल की बात है. मुझे कौन चीफ मिनिस्टर है, कौन प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वो हमारी चिंता नहीं है. मेरी चिंता है कि जनता के साथ अन्याय हो रहा है. कोई दिल्ली दौड़ रहा है, कोई लखनऊ में दौड़ रहा है, कोई जहाज से दौड़ रहा है, कोई गाड़ी से दौड़ रहा है, लेकिन जनता बेचारी क्या करे? जनता तो परेशान है ना। जनता की बात तो कोई करने वाला नहीं है। इन दोनों की लड़ाइयों के बीच में, इनके पावर एक्सचेंज होने के बीच में या पावर की लड़ाई के बीच में कौन जूझ रहा है? यहाँ पे पिस कौन रहा है? जनता। भाई पहले तो डबल इंजन आपस में लड़ते थे ना, अब तो डबल इंजन छोड़ो, लोकसभा के बाद से वो डब्बे भी आपस में लड़ने लगे। अब पूरी ट्रेन ही आपस में लड़ रही है, तो सोचिए सफर कौन करेगा? जो पैसेंजर उसमें बैठा वो सफर करेगा ना।
अनिला,
जनता हमारी सफर कर रही है। जनता
आपके इमेज के लिए ठीक नहीं।
भाई आपकी बारिश की वजह से
नहीं, अभी भदौरिया साहब ये बोल रहे हैं
क्या
कि
क्या ठीक नहीं है?
कोई
सब
गाड़ी
लड़ रहे
से
हैं,
दौड़
इमेज के
रहा
लिए
है,
क्या
कोई
ठीक नहीं
हवाई
है?
जहाज से
क्या
दौड़
इमेज
रहा है,
के लिए
तो
ठीक नहीं है?
हमने
नहीं, क्या खराब? मैं जनता की बात कर रहा हूँ, जनता के मुद्दों पे बात कर रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे जनता। आप बताइए कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के विधायक ने नहीं बोला कि यहाँ पे अगर काम करवाना, काम करवाना के पैर छूने पड़ते हैं।
आपकी तो स्पीड कहीं पे भी जाने वाली नहीं है, और मैं आपको बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कह देती हूँ।
क्या बीजेपी के विधायक ने, पूर्व मंत्री ने नहीं बोला कि यहाँ पे इसके पहले
Audio is not clear.
भ्रष्टाचार
Get it on the phone.
नहीं बोला?
Anurag Bhadoria, then fix it. Anila.
चलाओगे तो
Anurag Bhadoria.
क्या यहाँ पे नहीं बोला? डिप्टी
Shantanu, respond. Shantanu, her audio is bad. Shantanu, what's going on here? Samajwadi Party is having a great time. Congress is slurping right now. At this
Because
point
Yogi
of time,
Adityanath is a nightmare for
Shantanu,
them.
they're just waiting. Somehow Yogi should.
Yogi Adityanath is a nightmare for Samajwadi Party. Yogi Adityanath has kept Samajwadi Party away from the government from last 7 years. Yogi Adityanath is the only chief minister to become consequent chief minister multiple times. आपको पता है अखिलेश यादव की नोएडा में आने में डरते थे। नोएडा में आएंगे तो गद्दी चली जाएगी।
जो लोग परेशान उनके घर पे आप जाते हो, परेशान करते हो, उनके घर में बुलडोजर चलाते हो। पंत नगर, अबरार नगर, खुर्रम नगर, रहीम नगर में आपने बुलडोजर चलाने की बात की। छोटे-छोटे बच्चे रोड पे आके रोने लगे।
Shantanu,
Yogi Adityanath 7 a.m. So Yogi Adityanath has destroyed Samajwadi politics. That's why I think that's why they want Yogi Adityanath go somehow. And any conspiracy in Yogi camp is like a ray of pleasure for Samajwadi Party. वो होगा ही, लेकिन कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Yogi Adityanath is a nightmare for Samajwadi Party. He is not going there.
I am telling you
Not
by
going there.
अनुराग जी, मैं आपको बताऊं, एक बात सुनिए, एक बात आपको मैं मैं अपने स्याही में दस्तखत करके आपको एक खबर दे सकता हूं, और कल ये ब्रेकिंग होगी। देखिए, कोई 2-3 तो चीजें हैं जो मैं आपसे ज्यादा जानता हूं, आपको मैं बता रहा हूं मान्यवर। कल सुबह तक आपको खबर मिल जाएगी, जो कैबिनेट का विस्तार होगा या जो फेरबदल होगा उत्तर प्रदेश में, उसमें पता चल जाएगा। आई एम टेलिंग यू, Yogi is going to be stronger. RSS and BJP central leadership are going to support him much more than you think.
बंद हो जाएगा। जो पर्चा लीक हुआ था अग्निवीर को कल से, अग्निवीर की नौकरी 4 साल से बढ़ के ज्यादा हो जाएगी। मैं आप से पूछ रहा हूँ, क्या आपके शुभेंदु अधिकारी जो वहां बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं सबका साथ सबका विकास,
मुख्तार अंसारी वापस नहीं आएंगे, आतिक अहमद वापस नहीं आएंगे,
सबका विकास,
आतिक अहमद और मुख्तार अंसारी वापस नहीं आएंगे।
सबका साथ सबका विकास नहीं चाहिए। अरे आपके केंद्र में जो डायलॉग जो केंद्र में बोला जा रहा है वो आपकी
डायलॉग नहीं दे रहा मैं,
नहीं है। पश्चिम बंगाल में शुभेंदु अधिकारी नहीं मान रहे, कह रहे नहीं सबका साथ सबका विकास नहीं होगा। अमा के चाइना हमारा जो का विकास होगा।
अनुराग भदौरिया has lost control.
सबका साथ सबका विकास बंद, सबका साथ सबका विकास बंद। ये कौन बोल रहा है?
Tomorrow you see viewers, कल देख लीजिए,
दिल्ली में बोला जाता है
देश में योगी आगे जीतेगा। समझ गए अनुराग भदौरिया जी? आप लोग
राज का झगड़ा, दिल्ली का झगड़ा में
योगी की जोड़ी जो है ना,
न्याय क्यों हो रहा है, मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ।
You are writing off Modi and Yogi too early. Believe me, आप रुक जाइए. Don't think that Modi and Yogi are going to go. They may become stronger. They have had a setback. They have had a setback. आप ज़्यादा don't have premature celebrations.
अपने आगे से डिप्टी हटाना चाहते हैं।
Okay, viewers.
डिप्टी सीएम है, दोनों कह रहे नहीं, मेरे आगे से डिप्टी हटाओ। जाओ जहाज पकड़ो, दिल्ली जाओ। और जनता क्या करे बताओ?
Samajwadi Party is so excited that Yogi will go. He's not going to go anywhere, ladies and gentlemen. I've been talking to people aware and close to the developments. He's going to come out stronger. And how do I see it? The way I see it, that the BJP is still feeling the aftershocks of the Lok Sabha elections. The party suffered the most in the largest electoral state of Uttar Pradesh. And unfortunately for it, opportunists and dissenters in the UP BJP want to capitalize on the situation, like Keshav Prasad Maurya. But the BJP cannot do without Yogi Adityanath at all. Yogi Adityanath is the bulldozer Baba. Yogi Adityanath is the person who scares the mafia. Yogi Adityanath has nearly eradicated Gunda Raj from the streets of Uttar Pradesh. Today, Uttar Pradesh is one of the handful of BJP-ruled states where the party has emerged strong without entirely depending on any other factors besides very strongly the Yogi factor. So Yogi is not just a crowd puller. Yogi is the political magnet for the BJP in Uttar Pradesh. That's the way I see it. And hence I think that the BJP central leadership will end up strengthening him, not doing anything to weaken him. That's the way I see it. Let's wait till tomorrow. I'll see you in a few minutes on the other side.
Time for a quick breather. Arnab will be right back with the debate.